In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating our new Spike Rivet die and also explaining the listing. These are the 8/9 spikes, and in the listing, you'll be getting the die, and we have all these different colors: 20 gunmetal, 20 silver, 20 bronze, and also a mixed lot of 20 of the nightclub festival spikes. Now I'd like to demonstrate how to properly set the spike. I have my hole punch die in this machine. This really works great for rivets. And this is the Spike Rivet die. I have it in this machine. So you take your post, and I'm going to just place it through the hole that I just made, and then taking one of my spikes and placing it on top. And with this die, the spike faces up, so fits nicely right into the top of the die. Press down on the handle. There you have it. Very nice and secure. These spikes are all metal. They're high grade, really nice. Now I want to give you a tip in securely placing these spikes, because working with different thicknesses and materials, you really need to kind of have a few tips. So I'm going to make another hole, and now depending on the thickness of the project you're working on, when you go to set the rivet, if it feels loose at all, because a properly set rivet is very secure. It does not move. You don't see the post at all. It's aligned straight up and down. If the rivet seems loose at all, unscrew the top die. Do not screw it all the way up. And continue until you get that perfectly tight set rivet. If it still seems a little loose, unscrew a little bit more. Don't waste your spikes. You can continue with the same rivet until it is completely secure. Going to make sure on both of these. Now this is thinner canvas, so I unscrewed the top quite a bit, and as you can see, very secure. The back, you can't even lift the base of the rivet. So this is a great tip when setting these, and really in any rivet, but especially in these. I found you definitely, you can start with it all the way up, but I would say, gradually go down, just in case maybe your spike gets caught in the top of the die. Keep unscrewing until your rivet is completely secure. It doesn't move, and it's in there very tightly. This die is now available at Minkus Margo on eBay and Etsy. Thank you for watching.